Guys, Dennis here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to install WordPress in your web hosting panel. Okay, you click on the web hosting. Once you click that, you click on here in where your domain are, and then you go to access control panel. Click that one, access to control panel. Once you are now in your cPanel, go to WordPress Toolkit. In the WordPress Toolkit, it would bring you this option right here. And here you go, it says install WordPress. You click that one right there, you can change the name. It should be, and then you check that it's HTTPS because you have, of course, you have the SSL. And so I would just leave that one here. So you can save the password, stuff like that. And then I'm going to click on install. Here you go. Now the WordPress is running, installing here, as you can see. And it would take just a second to install that WordPress right there. Wait for process. Now that your WordPress is installed, I will just click that one right here. And then you can open this one as your WordPress. Here you go. You install the WordPress now from your dashboard. Yeah, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below or contact us by sending us an email or